The U.S. National Reconnaissance Office deployed super-fast spy drones over China in an abortive attempt to spy on Beijing's nuclear program. Air vehicle was the Lockheed-made D-21 drone. It was an impressive example of brute force, mid-century engineering. Made of titanium and weighing 12 tons, the 19-feet wingspan D-21 in its early forms launched from atop a special variant of the A-12, the CIA's version of the Mach-3 SR-71. The A-12, in essence, was the booster for the drone, climbing to 80,000 feet of altitude and accelerating to Mach 3.3 before separating from the pilotless vehicle. The D-21's ramjet engine took over, allowing it to cruise at 3 times the speed of sound for as far as 3,000 miles. A 300-pound Hiken HR-335 camera peering through the drone's lower fuselage could capture 5,600 exposures covering an area 16 miles wide and 3,900 miles long. In view of the political sensitivity to overflight of certain denied areas, such as China, by manned collection systems and the technical and other limitations of the current satellite program, the tagboard operational capability has been developed to collect against objectives of national interest located in areas where manned operations could provoke incidents potentially embarrassing to the United States. The Joint Chiefs assumed China's radars would detect an incoming D-21. But Chinese say 2 air defense missile systems are not considered to pose a threat to the tagboard drone. Surviving D-21s reside at several U.S. museums. China recovered the wreck of one self-destructed D-21 and put it on display in Beijing.